Today we're going to be working on something that's a little complicated to understand, pretty easy to do. Generally speaking, if my head is tilting this way, right, and my whole body keeps going that way, I'm going to end up falling down, correct? So there's a mechanism that keeps us, an instinct that keeps us upright. It's not just your eyes and ears, although that's a big part of it. It also has to do with your sense of proprioception. You know that the lumbar spine, or maybe you don't, but the lumbar spine doesn't rotate a whole lot, okay? So it's a kind of pulling, and maybe it does rotate some, but it's a kind of pulling. If C1 rather, is turned hard to the left,